Check out the following platform from our top 10 sales and marketing software deals.
SiteGuru, an actionable SEO task list that enhances your website monitoring. SiteGuru is an SEO tool that will help you attract more traffic from customers. With SiteGuru's help, you can get a full SEO audit that tells you where to start to improve your rankings, even if you don't know much about SEO. SiteGuru runs an audit on your website, and instead of giving you a list of thousands of problems, it gives you a list of things you can do to improve your rankings and get more traffic. By combining Google Search Console and Google Analytics data, you can track how well your SEO is working.
Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.